Let's learn everything about present continuous tense and conjugate the verb to cook and make sentences in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative using personal pronouns. Let's learn the order of words in a sentence. Put the subject first, then the auxiliary verb in the forms is, am, are. The next step is the semantic verb, and in the end we add ing. This is a compound predicate. Now let's create an example. Step 1. The subject. This is the personal pronoun she. Step 2. The auxiliary verb to be. The form is. Step 3 is a semantic verb cook. Step 4. Adding the suffix ing. Let's practice. Affirmative sentence with personal pronouns. I am cooking. I'm cooking. You are cooking. You are cooking. We are cooking. They are cooking. He is cooking. He's cooking. She's cooking. It's cooking. Negative sentence. I am not cooking. I'm not cooking. You are not cooking. You aren't cooking. We aren't cooking. They aren't cooking. He is not cooking. He isn't cooking. She isn't cooking. It isn't cooking. Interrogative sentence. Remember about inversion. We need to swap the subject and predicate. Let's repeat. Am I cooking? No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Are you cooking? No, you aren't. Yes, you are. Are we cooking? No, we aren't. Yes, we are. Are they cooking? No, they aren't. Yes, they are. Is he cooking? No, he isn't. Yes, he is. Is she cooking? No, she isn't. Yes, she is. Is it cooking? No, it isn't. Yes, it is. Please avoid ing form using state verbs. For example, liking. It's a mistake. Needing. The same. It's impossible to tell. Knowing. There is a list of state verbs in English. Remember a few more rules. When to use present continuous. Rule 1. At the moment of speech. For example, what are you talking about? 2. At the moment of action. She is swimming right now. 3. For changing or developing situations. Cities are becoming bigger and busier every year. 4. To express annoyance, irritation, or anger. There is a lot of something, too much or too often, with adverbs such as always, constantly, continually. For example, you are constantly interrupting me when I have a conversation. 5. For fixed arrangements in the near future. For example, she is flying to Kiev in 2 hours. The next rule, when we begin to realize or understand something. Oh my God, he is cheating me. 7. For temporary actions. Taras is working hard these days. Let's practice some spelling rules. Verbs ending in E, drop the E and take the ing suffix. For example, come, coming, write, writing, but, see, seen. Verbs ending in one stressed vowel between two consonants. Double the last consonant and take the ing suffix. For example, sit, sitting, run, running, but, eat, eating, open, opening. Verbs ending in ie, drop the ie and take y and suffix ing. For example, lie, lying, die, dying. Some verbs ending in double letters plus ing suffix. For example, regret, regretting, travel, traveling, occur, occurring. And the last part, time expressions. Remember about them. Now, right now, at the moment, look, listen, nowadays, these days, this minute, tonight, still, at present.